Hey guys, Joel Frank here, market analyst for YouTrading, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at WTI. Because crude oil markets have been getting battered in the last couple of days, kind of in line with a lot of risk assets actually. We've had this big deterioration in risk sentiment as a result of all this news flow about the Omicron variant, which is allegedly much more transmissible. Allegedly, it is more vaccine resistant. I mean, the risk on flows we've been seeing specifically on Tuesday have been to do with comments being made by the Moderna CEO and CEOs of other vaccine making companies that they're worried about the efficacy of the vaccines against this new variant. But anyway, yeah, crude oil has been hit particularly hard because the first response from global sort of health authorities has been to start doing these international travel restrictions, which does dampen jet fuel demand, which is quite a key component of global crude oil demand. So as a result, what's happened? Well, the big move was last Friday. We dropped all the way from above 77 per barrel WTI, dipped below 78, kind of recovered a little bit on Monday, but then by the end of Monday's session, to be honest, most of those gains have been given back, and we've gone back to fresh multi-month lows actually. I'm going to zoom out now and show you that. Let's zoom right out. You can see we've gone through many key areas of support. So we've gone through this support around 75.50. That was the 22nd of November and 7th of October low. Then we just smashed through this kind of balance area here around 73, was resistance here in September, and then it was support at the start of October. Then we bounced off of this area down here in the $67 to $68 area. So that was support back in sort of August, early September. We bounced all the way back up to that previous level, and then that was an opportunity, but the bears took to basically add to their short positions, and now we've gone through this support. So really, you would think that if this bearishness is going to persist, which it might, because markets are very sensitive to all this news flow around Omicron at the moment, this would be your next target, okay? That is the August 23rd low at 61.70. In terms of what kind of news flow we'd have to see to get us there, probably more negative headlines about Omicron, really, about it being it being vaccine resistant, or it's not going to be completely vaccine resistant, but more vaccine resistant than we had kind of been hoping or fearing. Potentially some data about it being more transmissible. A big one might be the fact that if Omicron looks to be causing severe illness, or as severe illness as previous variants, that would probably be taken very badly, because there is a hope at the moment that the illness that Omicron creates in the infected is actually going to be milder. So yeah, it's all headline-driven markets at the moment to do with Omicron. There are other themes going on, like Iran. Talks with Iran are going again, but not really anything to add to that. OPEC Plus a meeting. Obviously, they face the same uncertainties as everybody else, so they're probably going to halt their output hikes for now, but that's not going to probably do too much to hold up the market at this point because of all the Omicron-related uncertainties. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.